Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and doing well in your studies. Dear students, before your term 1 examination, we have completed our 3 chapters from physics portion. Okay, and today we will start our 4th chapter, which is named as chapter number 11 in your NCERT book. So the name of the chapter is work and energy. So students, today we will start chapter number 11, work and energy. So let us start. Topics to be covered today are work, types of work and numerical. Students, we will cover these all topics today, means we'll study about numericals, types of work and what is work. So let us start our first topic, that is work. When we can say that we have done work. So students, as you know that whenever you are applying force on any object, whether you are pulling it or you are pushing it, you are applying force. Okay, so whenever you will apply on any object, you will apply any force, then what will happen? What you will observe? Apply force on the pen, notebook, table or any other notebook you have kept on table. So what will happen? Obviously, the object will get displaced to certain distance. So this diagram is showing us that if we will apply any force on any object, then the object will get displaced to certain distance and we can say that we have done work. So work is nothing but it is the product of force and displacement. So you can write that work is equal to force multiplied displacement. W is equal to F cross X, where W is work, force means F and displacement is X. Students, but in exam whenever the question will come that define work done, so how you will define work done? That work is said to be done if force is applied on object such that it gets displaced to certain distance. Means आप force apply कर रहे हैं object पे और वो object थोड़े से distance को displace हो जाता है, means अपनी जगह से move हो जाता है. If the object is not moving, then there is no work done. But object is moving, that means work is done. Okay. So next is types of work done. Means okay, if we have done work, then how many types of work done is there? Students, here there are 3 types of work done. One is positive work done, one is negative work done, next is your zero work done. So first we will start positive work done, its example, then negative work done, its example, and then zero work done. So when you can say that work is positive? So students, the work is said to be positive if both force and displacement are in same direction. That means if you are applying force in this direction and object is also moving in the same direction, then you can say that the work is positive. Once again I am saying, if work is said to be positive if force and displacement both are in same direction. Okay. Next, okay, before proceeding, what is its example? Example of positive work done is simple, like pushing a chair from one place to another place, or pushing a chair, or pushing an object, notebook or anything else you can write. Okay students, so next our second type of work done is negative work done. So work is said to be negative if both force and displacement are in opposite direction. Both are in opposite direction. For example, work done by the force of friction. Students, you have studied in your lower standard that force of friction always acts in opposite direction. Okay, means if you want to move in forward direction, the force of friction will oppose you, means it will oppose you in backward direction, means it will try to push you in opposite direction because force of friction is always acting in opposite direction. So this is example of negative work. Next, question number 3, very important, that what is the example of zero work done, or what do you mean by zero work done? So students, work is said to be zero if there are two conditions. Okay, first, if there is no displacement, means you are applying force. आप फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं बट देर इज नो डिस्प्लेसमेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू आर जस्ट पुशिंग अ वॉल. You are pushing a wall. Wall will not move. Obviously, wall will not move. Okay, so that means your work is zero. Means if there is no displacement, your work done is zero. Second case, force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. It means both force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means the angle between both is 90 degree. Force and displacement, then also the work done is zero. Example, a coolie on platform having load on his head. So students, if the coolie is having load on his head, then force is applied on his head, but the coolie is moving in forward direction, means the angle between force and displacement is 90 degree. So that's why the work done is zero. So I hope you understood that what are the conditions under which the work done is zero and example. Okay, so next is your units, that what is the unit of work? Students, as you know that unit of force is Newton. So the unit of work done is Joule. Unit of work done is Joule, and we denote it by the letter J. Okay, as you know the expression formula, students, expression and formula is same. Okay, so expression or formula for work done is work is equal to force into displacement. So unit of work is Joule, unit of force is Newton, unit of distance or displacement is meter. So that means your 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton into 1 meter, or you can write simply that 1 joule is equal to 1 Newton meter. Okay, so this also simple, both are same. So sometimes the question comes that define 1 joule. How question will be asked? Define 1 joule. So work is said to be 1 joule. Work is said to be 1 joule if 1 Newton force applies to an object and it displaces the object to 1 meter. Means work is said to be 1 joule. आप work को 1 joule कहेंगे if 1 न्यूटन फोर्स जो है वो ऑब्जेक्ट को 1 मीटर डिस्टेंस तक डिस्प्लेस करती है. Okay, once again, the work is said to be 1 joule if 1 Newton force displaces the object to 1 meter. Next is numerical. Numerical is very simple. A force of 7 Newton acts on object, okay, and the displacement is 8 meter. Force you are applying 7 Newton and displacement is 8 meter in the direction of force. So what is the work done? So students, you can see that in the direction of force, that means both are in the same direction. So work done is positive. Formula you know already, W is equal to force into displacement. Apply this formula, your answer will be 56 Newton meter. Newton meter means joule. So your answer is 56 joule. So hence the work done is 56 joule. So students, this is all about your today's topic. So I hope that you understood my today's topic, that is work and types of work. Work and types of work along with units of work and numerical. If still you have any query, you are free to ask me. You can leave your queries in comment box. Okay, and for notes I'm sharing this PDF in description box. You can take it from there. So this is enough for today. Thank you. Have a good day.